What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, gang? What's up, cousins? Friends? Family? I'm just playing. What's up, cousins? Today, guess what we're doing? Well, right now I'm firing this weave. It looks stiff right now, but I assure you it's not stiff. You know, it's human hair, but like human hair don't really be human hair. It's not giving human hair, because this right here is human hair, and my human hair never gets stiff like this. It's like I hate the low quality ass bundles. I be thinking I'm buying high quality bundles the whole time. It's like after some days it's low quality, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is we're going to be sewing a tapestry pant. It's highly requested. Well, requested on Instagram at least. You know, people always ask me, oh my god, how do you make this? Well, I honestly don't make a lot of tapestry pants. I really mainly make hoodies, so I'm kind of rusty when it comes to pants. That's why I don't be taking a lot of pants orders. That's why before I take a pants order, I always take a hoodie order. If I have time to make the pants, I'm gonna make the pants. But most of the time, I only have time to make a hoodie. That sounds like, oh my god, you're lying, you're just BSing. Like, you have enough time. No, I really don't be having time. That's why I'll take the orders I can know I can do fast. And yeah. Last vlog, y'all probably thought I was lying, huh? Y'all thought I was lying about the filing cabinets I said I was finna get. Yeah, I think we should do a filing cabinet tour, because I know y'all thought I was capping. But I actually got some filing cabinets to organize all of my sewing stuff. And I think that deserves a tour. But let me show y'all what I'm finna be making my pants out of first. Here we have this magical tapestry, like, woo! Okay, y'all, I thrifted this blanket. Yes, I thrifted this blanket, and it's been sitting, it's literally been just sitting so dusty. That's how long it's been sitting. It's been sitting in my sewing room for like, say months up to a year. A year, yes, this blanket. Anyways, I finally decided to do something with it. I was gonna do a hoodie, but I'm like, I'm tired of sewing hoodies. I need to practice on my pants skills. Since I need to practice on my pants skills, I think it's time we just turn this into pants. I thrifted so many blankets. I have so many blankets. I don't even want to show you the bags of blankets I have. I was like, oh, I like you. Put it in my bag. I like you. I'm gonna buy you. I like you. I'm gonna buy you. I have so many crochet blankets, so be prepared for all the next videos of me just to be sewing random stuff. When you're tracing tapestry, don't make the mistake I did. I'm like, oh, my tapestry to fit me skin tight. I do have some pants that fit me skin tight, but they're definitely a struggle to put them on. Yeah, when y'all making tapestry pants, do not trace no leggings or nothing. Trace something that's loose, because tapestry does not stretch at all. These pants I have on, even if you add the elastic waistband, it still has no stretch. I was still struggling to put these on, even though these are like huge. So trace some loose pants. Don't set yourself up for failure. Right here we have all of my threads and dots and stuff, and then here it's just sewing pins, chalk, etc. And here's really just etc. So we some patches, litter patches and stuff. And then all these are my serger threads, and then I have just rainbow sprays, hot glue guns. Really like work materials, like stuff I'm working with. This cabinet slides down and it closes. Like, whoa. Look how much storage room I have. Like, that's a lot. Yeah, this is my pattern drawer. I only use really one pattern out of here. It's okay, I'm gonna get more. And this is some extra fabric I will be using. These are pieces that I'm still gonna use that I'm not currently using, as you can see. And then this one, it's just yards of fabric and pieces that it's basically the same thing. I don't even want to explain. It's the same thing. But I'm still not done organized. I still have that bag of fabric. This box is full with blankets and stuff. So first things first, I got the pants I want to use. They fit me okay. It's whatever. I just hold some random sweatpants to those to the side. Oh, so this design is vertical. So it's like, me personally, I'm not sure how I want to really do this, because the design's gonna be like kind of slanted to the side. Oh my god. If y'all see me keep touching my nose, it's really dusty. This has been sitting, so like it just got dust all in. I really should have washed it before. Okay, when y'all doing this, y'all have to make sure that each and every pinpoint of the pants is like sticking out. So I want you to fold it evenly. To mark and see if we have enough room to do this diagonally. It's hard to grip it because I got nails. Okay. And when you're doing this, don't forget to leave that 1/4 of an inch of seam allowance. Not 1/4. I ain't gonna lie, I'll be doing a 1/2 inch. That might be too much, but I always do a 1/2 inch. Now we're gonna do 2 mirror images of the front and the back, because I actually do have enough room to do all 4 leg panels vertically. So I'm about to do 2 fronts of the pants and then 2 backs of the pants. Only 'cause I believe in you. We get the million on the world just to piss the neighbors off. electric knife thing and I don't even use it. And I'm sitting here struggling, cutting these pants with these scissors. They keep getting jammed up and I got a whole electric knife. Like, yeah, the next step we have is we about to hem the crotch area. We're about to hem it, so, well, I'm not gonna hem anything just yet. Matter of fact, I'm finna just serge this side. So get your pants, make sure to flip wrong side to wrong, right side to right side, and the wrong side on the outside. So I'm about to serge from here, the top of the pants, all the way to the end of the crotch. As you can see, the crotch is very distinctly out because, it's like a triangle. So we're gonna do that to both of them. It's just you pin them so they stay in place, but I'm only gonna use like 2 pins because I'm used to this. So I know what my fabric's moving. That sounds delusional, but I really do. Okay, we have my handy dandy serger, so now we finna serge it. Alright, y'all, so the pants are still flipped inside out. As you can see, it's red side, and then right side to right side. So on this side, I folded in the tassels up and down the pants. I folded the tassels up and down this side of the pants. I'm only gonna do one side at a time because I don't have that many clips, and it's probably gonna help me focus better on one side anyways. I don't have this part, the crotch part, pinned up because I'm probably gonna go further up because I actually want to make the crotch part shorter. So we finna go ahead and serge this part, as you can see, following the line. And then this side. I'm gonna do the other side. As y'all can see, this side, y'all don't see the tassels no more because it's tucked in. And if I put it in reverse, it'll be on the inside. So now I have this side clipped up and I'm finna go down this side the same way I did the other one. I just wanna take you out and show you. You already know that you're the perfect one. Alright, y'all, so off camera I just hemmed the top of it, so it's basically still inside out, and I flipped it over and then hemmed across the top border of it. So now I'm finna shorten the crotch area because I realized that it's actually longer than what I anticipated on. So I'm finna shorten this to like 9 inches. Like right now it's like at 12 inches, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, y'all, I think I'm done because really it's all it is to it. Like, I hemmed the top and I'm not gonna hem the bottom because the bottom has tassels leading all the way up to it, and I don't care. Sometimes I like the raw look, but if you want a cleaner look, you can just fold it over, hem it. But I'm honestly gonna leave it because I like the way it falls on the shoes looking raw. But anyway, so I'm basically taking the pants out of reverse. And when I take them out of reverse, y'all, this is how they look. Hold on, let me fluff them out because they looking a little stiff. This is how they look. The Tapestry pants are complete. The higher back side is your back, and the lower end is your front. So I like the cute flowers on it. It's so cute. Like, and this is the back. Really, you can make which one you want, unless you did one end higher. Like, the higher end will be the back and then the shorter end will be the front. But I like how these look. Like, the flowers eat down. I'm gonna put them on and see if I can even fit them for real. It's a tight fit as it gets to the top. They fit perfect. It's almost like I made them and tailored them for myself to fit myself. Y'all, I didn't do pockets. Okay, I didn't do pockets. I could have did ones with pockets, but I didn't. These take shorter to do than hoodies. I don't know why I make hoodies so much. These literally take me feel like 30 seconds. But I didn't add a waistband either because I feel like a waistband with tapestry pants still doesn't help, honestly. They are a little low in the back though. Let me show y'all. I'm 5 low rise. They fit good on me. I'm not tripping. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. They're like really tailored to fit me. And they weren't hard to put on either, but I didn't do elastic. I could show y'all how to do an elastic tutorial with the waistband, but I honestly feel like the elastic doesn't help because it's tapestry. These I made right here, these are elastic, but it's still stiff. See the back side? Okay. This is the final product. The back side, they're still a little low rise, but this is how they fit. They fit perfect, of course. Y'all, it was that easy to make them pins. Y'all see how quick I just did that? Yeah, so all you gotta do is sew with me and learn with me, and you're gonna be as fast as I am. Cause it didn't take me much, but wait, an hour maybe? This is how it looks in the mirror. These are 5 for real. Like, if you want some custom to some pants you already have, let me know. in the back. They really fit perfect. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye, cousins. We're out.